Hi, everybody. So I'm happy to present after Maureen just spoke about data and how we can use it to provide better insight and better advertising. And I'll be introducing Fixel and a bit about our journey and our train of thought about trying to get these clients to ultimately convert. Um, so, as you probably know, digital advertising for the past 20 years has been pretty much a paradise for marketers. I know it because I was part of it. I was running my campaigns. I was able to target Coca-Cola employees who earn over $150,000, just had their baby, and sell them that premium stroller. It was very simple. But then this happened. They're ruining my punch, but we'll get there. The Mark Zuckerberg hearing, you've probably all seen this. This hearing was part of a perfect storm. This forced media companies to change the way they allow advertisers to use their data and act on the actual users. And this has drawn the line, and this has actually caused a ripple effect, drawing the GDPR after that and the California Privacy Act and so forth. And this has caused changes, and this is happening across all platforms. We've seen this in Facebook, we've seen this in Google, we've seen this in Apple. It is going onwards, and this is changing the way that marketers are able to act on consumers. And what we're seeing as advertisers is that people are moving to rely more and more on first-party data rather than the platform's data. And in this way, we're seeing different changes in the way that marketers are able to act. Now, in a classic scenario, if we're looking at remarketing campaigns, for the most, marketers are able to act on people who have taken some sort of strict action. They've been to their website, added to cart, haven't completed their purchase, and then we can target these people, re-engage with them, and get them to convert. And this is a good campaign for the most. But in most cases, this is only a very small subset of the users. We're ignoring 9% of people that are coming by the website, and these people are hard to distinguish. We can't tell whether they're down the funnel, up the funnel, where they are within this sort of item model. And this is what Fixel is all about. We're here to try and make sense and try to really segment that and understand which users are engaged and which ones are just window shoppers. So how does this actually work? You might think that this is a small niche problem, but at the end of the day, this is something that most advertisers face. There's tons of money that's laying here on the ground, and people aren't able to pick it up. And how are we doing that? Fixel basically is an automated AI-powered audience segmentation solution. In practice, what this means, 2 lines of code that an advertiser can put up on their website. This is the full installation course here, 3 slides. By doing that, we automatically track anyone who's coming by the website, score them on the fly. The outcome of this is that we're able to push these audiences directly into the advertiser's platform. They keep working on the same platforms they're used to. They get their engagement-based audiences directly within their platforms, which are simple, actionable, and ready to use. We work across any ad platform, anyone that you see here, and many more. Now, the results at the end of the day speak for themselves. Online retailer Watches.com was able to drive 3 times more revenue by using the Fixel audiences. Before using Fixel, they were targeting only people that have added to cart. And they weren't able to target people beyond that. It wasn't cost effective. Using Fixel, they were able to reach the highly engaged users and drive far more revenue without any worry of them targeting the wrong people. At the CVS of Israel, Superfarm, they were able to drive their team 300% increase in return on ad spend. Before using Fixel, they were relying solely on Facebook's optimization algorithm. They took anyone who viewed a product page, pushed it back to Facebook, let Facebook run their own optimization engine, and at the end of the day, weren't getting sufficient results. Using Fixel, we allowed them to cut off these Windows shoppers. And today, Superfarm is able to target and spend their marketing dollars only on engaged users. Now, our target market is very simple. We're looking at mid-market retailers in the US and their agency partners. We're already partnered with some very major brands there. But in parallel, we're working with the tech partners. We're working with DSPs, DMPs, and any kind of random 3-letter acronym there. We're able to work as our engagement scoring engine there, and by that, provide them better value that they can bring to their clients. Our current MRR is high and is constantly rising. We have 42 paying clients, including some of the largest agencies in Israel and the US. We have some very notable clients around them. We have Autotrader.com in the US. We have Isracard, the local subsidiary of MasterCard here in Israel, and plenty of more. And we have plenty of them packed within our pipeline with POCs running from Kenshu to platforms like Nielsen Marketing Cloud and several others. At the end of the day, we're here because we have the solution that the ad tech market needs. Today, we have a working product that people use and see actual valuable results. And we're here to scale. We're raising now our seed round, and we'd be happy to talk with any one of you. Thank you very much. Have a great day.